Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, that girl is good. What is up, my beautiful melanated mamas? Welcome to my channel, Get Success with Shay, the #1 resource center for business startup, making money online, personal development, travel, real estate, work from home, homeschool. What does success mean to you? This channel will give you the resources you need to get you to the next level of your idea of success for yourself. I call myself the DIY queen. I guide moms to learn how to do it themselves and take control of their lives. I'm on a mission to help 1,000 melanated mamas get out the rat race and live life on their own terms. Okay, so come on with me to make money online from anywhere in the world. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, click the notification buttons so that you can get more good information like we're about to dig into right now. This video, I'm going to be talking about how I made $500 in a day as a stay-at-home mom and a homeschool mom also. And I am able to work from anywhere in the world. And I made this by literally just posting links. So I will get into how I did that. I'm sorry, I can't do two things at once. This is my first time doing a YouTube video, y'all, so y'all just bear with me. Um, so this is my website that I'm going to be pretty much talking about, and just showing y'all, pretty much how easy it is, especially once you get everything set up, it is to do digital marketing. That is what I do. I do digital marketing. That's how I'm able to make money from online, working from anywhere. Okay, so just like I said, I'm going to just give y'all a little story time, and then I'm going to go through my website so you can see um, the different things that's inside the course, and I'll just give you a little rundown of what you could be prepared for going through this course and navigating through this system to be able to change your life pretty much. And so basically, I've been learning about digital marketing for like the past 8 years. I actually jumped into it about 5 years ago, and I made money here and there, but I knew it was something more to where I had to scale my business. I needed a back office to be able to capture emails. It was so much more than just posting links. So, long story short, I ended up running into this course that basically teaches step by step how to set up your online business. Okay. It was amazing. It was like, this is just what I was waiting for. Um, Being that I am a mom, having a job. Well, my I used to be a teacher. That's why I switched to do online teaching, um, so that I can be able to work from home. And it's just a big change, but having this system really helped me. Um, as y'all can see, my niche is 35 and up moms, even though I could help anybody, but that's just my niche, because that's my area. I understand how hard it is to be able to try to change careers, worrying about your children in school. That's another thing that I teach is how to be able to homeschool your children. Um, so just like I said, going on about my story, about how I got $500 in a day. Um, yeah, so I took the course, finished the course. Everything was set up. I started posting my links. My link of actually this one right here of my website on different sites of people asking questions of how to make money online. Um, I started posting those links, and within a few days, I woke up and I had $500 in my account. Someone um, purchased the course from me. So just to explain how that happened, this course is a master resale right course. So if you don't know about master resale rights, is basically um, a product that you could buy and be able to resell it as your own. So not only with this course, I was able to set up my online business, I also can sell the course as my own. So that's what y'all see here. I'm going to go and learn all about the course that is helping me create financial freedom as a homeschool mom and how you can start doing it too. Okay, so basically you just type in your name. Let me see if it'll let me do this one again. Okay, so it says digital marketing simplified. Start your own digital marketing business today the easy way. Okay, so this is my website. Um it's just basically telling you that you don't have to have no experience. Okay, this is literally from ground zero. I love this course, y'all, so much. Like this really, really helped me. Like it took me step by step by step. Okay, and you will have a professional on full blown online business by time you finish. If you don't have a job, or you got a lot of free time, should I say, you could be finished this course within days, a couple of weeks. Um and it doesn't cost a lot of money to even start it up. Just like I said, I'm gonna continue going through here because you could pay through Klarna, so you might not have to put anything down, and you just pay Klarna or the after payback. That's the other good thing. um yeah, so things that you get easy to follow digital marketing and online business modules, um 300 videos, lifetime access to ongoing course updates. You get a high demand digital product. This is the course. Okay. And y'all could just keep on reading. Um, it's just a wonderful product. And I'm excited to bring this to y'all because um, just knowing how hard it is, being a, single mother and just needing to find a way out. I like freedom for myself. I like freedom for my kids. That's why I homeschool them. So, this is definitely affording me to be able to, do what I want on my own terms. Okay. And be able to make a good amount with it. Um, so just follow along. Um, with this, just like I said, let me see. So you get to learn about automation, branding, social media marketing, business growth, course and digital product creation, licensing rights, email growth, lead generation, content marketing, SEO and blogging, keywords, business vision, legal documents, email marketing, affiliate marketing. Okay, so just like I said, go ahead to the website. I will link it down below. I will also send my link of to do a one-on-one call. That's another thing that's with this course. I will also be there to help you. Okay, I want everybody to win. Like this is like this is like groundbreaking for me. Okay, so just like I said, go ahead and sign up. Okay, y'all see right here, stage 1. This is different parts of the course: email marketing mastery, affiliate marketing. You learn about Pinterest, learn about Instagram, chat GPT. Okay, all that. Okay, any questions y'all need, y'all could email me. I will place all those links down below of how you could email me. But yeah, so just go ahead and fill out the form. You could pay in installments with Klarna. And that'll be that. Okay. So just like I said, subscribe, click the link down below. Subscribe to this channel so you could learn more about digital marketing. Subscribe to my Instagram page, Get Success with Shay. TikTok, Get Success with Shay. Subscribe to this channel so I can be able to make more content like this. Okay, y'all. So y'all have a good night, day, whenever you're watching this. Y'all be blessed. Peace.